Greetings from London. This is Bremley Lingdor, founder and CEO of Worldview Impact. I want to send a message to all our viewers watching around the world. A very happy Earth Day 2021. We are celebrating with our friends and partners around the world on the theme Restore Our Earth, which is quite in line with what we're doing fighting this global pandemic that has really impacted all countries, all nations on Earth. As part of a post-COVID-19 green recovery, our friends and partners around the world are planting millions of trees today to restore the balance on Earth for future generations to come. On that note, I want to wish our team in India from Worldview Impact, working in partnership with Gauri's Goodies and Earth Bank, well done on planting 150 chestnut trees today at Spring Valley Farm, together with the women farmers who are members of the Hill Farmers Union. And congratulations. May the forest be with you always. Thank you so much.